Hello. In this video, we will see question number 3. Explain the concepts of linear regression. How the best fit line is determined. Write the algorithm for linear regression for given input data points x, y. Linear regression is a statistical method used to model the relationship between a dependent variable y and one or more independent variable x. The simplest case of this relationship is modeled by a straight line. The goal is to find the best fitting line that describes how y changes with x. The general equation of a straight line in the context of linear regression is y equal to mx plus b, where y is the dependent variable, x is the independent variable, m is the slope of line, and b is the intercept. In case of multiple regression, the equation extends to y equal to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 up to n numbers, where x1, x2, and xn are the independent variables, and m1 up to m2 and mn are coefficient corresponding to each variable. B is the intercept. The best fit line is determined using a technique called ordinary least square OLS. The idea is to find the line that minimizes the sum of square differences between the observed data points and the predicted value from the model. Mathematically, this is done by minimizing the cost function. Cost function. The most common cost function for linear regression is the mean squared error, which is given by ms equal to 1 by n summation of yi minus mxi plus b whole square, where yi is observed value, xi is input value, and m is the slope of b slope, and b is the intercept. Now we will see steps to find the best fit line. First step is initialize parameters. Start with initial guesses from the slope m and the intercept b. Second step is compute predicted values for each data point. Compute the predicted y value. Third step is compute the errors. Calculate the difference between the actual and predicted values. Fourth step is minimize the cost function. Use optimization techniques like gradient descent or directly solve for the optimal m and b using mathematical methods to minimize the MSE. Fifth step is update parameters. Repeat step 2 to 4 until the model parameters converge to values that minimize the cost. Now we will see the algorithm for simple linear regression. Let's see it. First step is given data points. Let's say we have n data points x1, y1 up to xn, yn. Second step is to calculate the necessary sum. We need to compute the following sums: summation of xi, summation of yi, summation of xi square, and summation of xi yi. Compute the slope and intercept b. The closed form of solution for the slope m and intercept b is given by the formula m equal to n summation xi yi minus summation xi into summation yi upon n summation xi square minus xi whole square. Then we have b equal to summation yi minus m summation xi upon n. Step 4 is to make predictions. Once the parameter m and b are determined, we can make prediction using formula by pred equal to mx plus b. Now we will see its algorithm. Python algorithm for simple linear regression. We will import necessary files, and then we will do linear regression on them. We will take x input data and y output data. We will add column of 1 to x for the intercept b. Then we will compute the parameters m, b using the normal equation. Then we will extract the intercept and slope. After this, we will point sample data points. Then we will perform linear regression. Then we will get the output, intercept, and slope. Then we will make predictions, and here is the output of the code. You can see. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching.